Number 7, what is the effect when the quadratic equation y equals 3x squared was changed to y equals 1/3 x squared? So, of course, you can always plug these into your y1 and your y2 in your calculator, and you can graph it. Sometimes, though, it's hard to tell, especially if one's opening up and one's opening down, whether they got wider or more narrow. So I always look at the equation, because the equation will always tell you exactly what's happening. So we know the width has changed because the a value changed. So originally the a value was 3, and then it was changed to 1/3. So if we think about on a number line, we're at 3, and to get to 1/3 you had to go down, and so you're getting smaller, therefore we say that it compressed. Now, the terminology that's used here, if we were to go through and rule out the ones that don't work, we know it didn't translate up or down, so we can rule those out. And then we have that it's a vertical stretch or a vertical shrink. Well, when you compress, you can think about that as shrinking. Okay, so think about like your new thing of Play-Doh. When you compress it, when you push on it, it's shrinking, it's getting shorter. So that term right here, this shrink, is also, we could say it got wider, or we could say that it compressed. So these all mean the same thing. Your teacher may have used these two terms, she may have used these, but they all mean the same thing. Okay, so shrink just means it got wider or it was compressed. Stretch means that it got more narrow. So we know that since the number went down, it got wider, so therefore C is our correct answer.